Hello everyone, my name is Daniel, leader of Sunshine Team. This is Tom and this is Thomas. Today, I want to tell you how to make sandwich.
To make sandwich, we need ingredients like sushi, bread, egg, and salad. I put one slice of sandwich in a plate. Step 2. Put sushi in the bread.
Add lettuce in the bread.
Put sushi in the salad.
Mix egg on the top. Now, add sauce on the bread. Now, put one slice of bread on the top. Let's enjoy it. What do you feel?
The sandwich is a good.
This is the end. Thank you for watching.
Goodbye.